All right. Here we go again. Coming to you from the back 40 feet, that is. I am the J.O.A.T, Jack of all trades, and we're looking at a A79 action cam from Apeman. Got this off of eBay. Want to be able to get multiple shots. We're coming out of the pulpit. Let's open this thing up and see what we have. This little packaging, little $50 fella, coming off of Amazon. User's manual. Hello. Dear Mr. Mrs., like to thank you for choosing Apeman's products. Okay, you got that. We're gonna read up on this, see what it has to say. Let's see what accessories come out of the box. 4K. Okay. Comes in straight with the water resistant or waterproof case, whichever it may be. Got an arrow on here. Let's get it out of there. Get it out. Oh. We got something. Okay. And there is the actual unit. There's a nice little matte finish on one side. Got the protective film. Got the highway safety horns for the mode button, power button, I guess. See if they got some juice coming out the box. Ooh, don't look like it. One long press. No happiness. All right, so we're gonna have to fire this cat up. Put some juice to it. What else we got in this nice gray box? Accessory to the fact. Okay. Open this thing up. Look like we have another screen. Preacher know what that is. Lapel mic. All right. Remote. Another stand of some sort. Figure that out. Once again, Jack of all trades is not a channel where we have professional input or reviews of these products. What we have is an everyday dude doing stuff. That's one battery. Woo. 2 batteries. Can't complain. Another one of those hooks. Just dump this stuff out. What we got here? We're working on top of a slab that I'm in the midst of doing a little project on. We may do some footage on that, but I gotta get something to take the footage with. Some zip ties, some Velcro, all kinds of little doodads and anything. What we got? Let's see here. Count them up. I don't know. I don't want to mislead anybody. We'll put a link in the description as to this, like he going handlebars or something. All right. Sticky notes, sticky pads, charger, like a USB micro. Okay. Here's another clip in. That may be a belt. I ain't big enough for no belt. I don't know. Hook up to this some kind of way. Wrist, head, helmet. And here's another. Oh, that goes on the tripod. All right, we can get them on the tripod, y'all. Let's give me a good tripod. All right, anybody know something? Got some good suggestions? Hit me up. Find me down at the dig bin. Give me a tripod on $5 a day. All right, so this is the Apeman Action Cam. We're gonna be using this to get some footage. We hit the pulpit. Be also using the newly found Xeon stabilizer motion gimbal that I picked up earlier this week. And we'll see you next time.